morning, guys. Welcome to a productive fall vlog. I'm so happy that it's fall season, and even though in Los Angeles it doesn't necessarily get very cold at this time of the year, it still drops. Okay, last night it was like 60 degrees. So cozy. Are you kidding me? So I'm feeling very excited. It is 9:08 in the morning. Put my hair in a little slick back bun. We are going to go to a hot Pilates class. Never taken a hot Pilates class. I've taken a hot yoga class and it was slightly torturous. I can't lie, but I feel like the Pilates is gonna hit different because I really do love Pilates. Yeah, I don't know. With the yoga, it was like everybody's deep breathing around me. It was really throwing me off. I didn't like it. I think the place is called True Fusion and it's in West Hollywood. They have showers at the gym, so I'm bringing my little Sailor Moon tote bag with some extra stuff and with makeup because I put on mascara and like eyebrow gel because I was feeling absolutely dead, but I definitely want to put on some concealer or something. And I'm bringing my purse, which has become my everyday purse from Temu, and I have my little Hello Kitty, a little silver heart charm from Urban Outfitters, obviously bringing my huge Stanley. I'm feeling so basic right now, but you know what, in a good way. Let's head out.
Good morning, everybody.
We just got out of our hot Pilates. You know what, it actually wasn't too hot, so I felt good. We picked up California, wait, what is it called? California Chicken Cafe. It's my first time trying it. I got a Caesar wrap. And we're gonna go to La La Land Kind Cafe. And I'm so excited because they have like a whole fall menu drink. And that's the whole vibe of this video. So, outfit of the day, little black one shoulder top. And my PacSun cargo pants. It is already 7 p.m, which is crazy. This day has flown by. I got home around 5. I've just been relaxing. I put on some false eyelashes. I'm not gonna lie, they feel huge, but it is date night and I'm so excited. I'm wearing this little heart necklace by Lanier. I have a collab video with them if you guys want to check it out. My little black baby tee is Zara. I have this long skirt, I think it's from Shein. Chelsea boots. This cute little gold waist chain. Definitely need to bring a jacket. It's already like 72 degrees and to me that is cold. I know I show this lip combo a lot, but this is my favorite lip combo ever and I feel like it's a very good fall lip color. This is the Maybelline lip liner in Brownie Pie and then I just use clear lip gloss on top. And it is just the cutest shade ever. I need to put on some perfume. I'm gonna be using the Guess Seductive Red. Morning vlog. It is another beautiful fall day. Halloween is in 2 days and I am so freaking excited. So this morning I want to make my matcha in my little ghost mug. Also, it was cold this morning, like 56 degrees, crazy. Let's make our morning drink. I want to put on some makeup, choose my jewelry for today, and the first order of business is to make a November vision board because that is going to be the last month of fall. So currently I have like a Halloween-esque vision board on my laptop, so I want to make one that is more like fall neutral before switching over in December for like all the Christmas holiday stuff. Current casual outfit of the day is a little baby tee from Zara, some yoga pants by Hilera. This sweater I literally got on Amazon for my Halloween costume from this weekend because I was Power from Chainsaw Man. So if you want to see my TikToks or my YouTube shorts to see how it turned out, go ahead and check that out. Let's get ready. Now that my makeup is done and I'm feeling slightly more whole, you and I need to talk about vision boards. If you're a follower of mine or simply a friend of mine, then you would know my obsession with vision boards. I know a lot of us are obsessed with vision boards, and I think this is a common interest in the community of girls ranging from the ages of 15 to 30. I like to make a vision board every single month. I always make a list of the kinds of things I want to put on my vision board, and I like to make sure that all the colors and the images are sort of revolved around the theme of the month. This month's theme being fall. So let's list off the things that I want to put in my vision board this month. Number one, of course, being anything acting related. I always like to put, Pinterest images of actors, scripts, short films, etc. So that's always number one on my list. Number two on my list is YouTube. I want to work really hard on my YouTube. I'm feeling very inspired with creative video ideas, so I definitely want to put this at the forefront of my work because I can see the potential in myself, and I want to remind myself of what is possible and what I can achieve. And one that I always put on is self-care in general, especially with the fall season. Being able to find images that are like in that theme and still revolving around self-care is so cozy. It makes it so much easier to romanticize the season. So definitely we'll be finding images of like reading a book and lighting candles, maybe some skincare, some healthy foods, healthy drinks. And then obviously I want to find a lot of fall inspiration pictures on Pinterest because that definitely adds to the environment that I'm trying to create on my vision board. I also think it's just really important to emphasize the seasons because if not, life gets repetitive and it's nice to look forward to a season. You may not live somewhere that has all 4 seasons, but there's still things you can do to make it feel that way. And I didn't write this one down, but inspirational quotes. I thrive off of inspirational quotes. I always, of course, make sure that they go with the color scheme, and this color scheme will be, within the orange and browns, reds. But I freaking love a good quote. I love some angel numbers, something to read back to myself to remind myself that I am on the right path. I love little hidden messages, signs. That will also be something to fill up my vision board. I'm gonna do that right now. I have my little MacBook. We're gonna sit at the desk and put everything together on Canva. I'll show you guys my Halloween vision board before we make this one, but currently this is what I have. So a lot of Halloween inspo, some acting and dance stuff, and I kind of changed up the style from my recent ones because I have like the orange backdrop and some little graphics. Usually I would just make it the entire collage as my backdrop, but I was inspired to do something different because my best friend Karina made her vision board look like this, and I thought it was very beautiful. So that's the vibe that we're gonna go for November. Okay, I just finished. This is the final product. I'm not gonna put it on my desktop yet because I'm gonna wait until November 1st. I copied like one of their desktop presets and I kept this colored backdrop and then this tiny little Hello November calendar, which I think was really cute. And I just have some like YouTube stuff, acting stuff, fall inspo. I really love this picture. I have some quotes: focus on the good and the good will multiply, prosperity flows effortlessly to me, romanticize your life, and then all these just like little graphics to make it more fall themed. Like I love this little white bow. I also never showed you guys what I got from the pop-up shop that we went to in the Grove. I honestly thought that we were gonna get like free makeup or something, but that was not the case. But still, I had a good time. And they gave us this little bag with a keychain in it. I already opened it and decorated it because I couldn't wait, okay? It came with these like hot pink stickers. And this is the keychain. I decorated with my nickname, Vane. I put a little LA sticker, some stars, a bunch of stickers on the back. It also opens, and I think this is meant to be like something to hold their blush product, and there's a tiny mirror in here. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here, but it is cute and I love the silver aesthetic. So happy freaking Halloween. This is my favorite day of the year, apart from my birthday. Over the weekend I dressed up as Power from Chainsaw Man, and today I just got like a Catwoman suit on Amazon. And I have this little mask that I'm gonna put on top. Super freaking cool. I'm so excited. I made like these little grilled cheese sandwiches with like a little pumpkin face on it, so that was super cute. We're gonna drive around and look at like all the Halloween decorated houses. Here's my makeup. I was too lazy to do falsies. Let's take pictures and let's get ready to go.